Alright, we're gonna be looking at how you can make certain reharmonizations work. So, one example is in there will never be another you. I'm doing it in the key of C because that's just how I wanted to do it. It goes like that, and then it goes. So there's one empty bar there between. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. And so the second bar is empty, as in it's fine to let that ring, but like, what if I didn't want to? What if I just didn't want to do that? And so the pattern that's usually going on in most jazz tunes is like a cycle of adding fives. So like 2, 5, 1, then you just add chords. Um, Here in there will never be another you. We're doing 11, 4, 9, and then we're doing. And so if we just go back 5 before 11, what do we get? 6, right? Now in isolation, what can we do with 6? So we have. Let's just say I did like major 7th on 6 here, so. And then. So it's not bad, it's like. I don't think there's anything necessarily wrong with that, but the moment you put in that first chord, you'll see something is kind of sketch, so. So maybe that's fine to your ear, but to me this is pretty harsh because there's literally no shared notes. Like, something like this is usually okay, so. But this is just like really harsh, so like. So we want to make it like less harsh. So one way is to kind of like try and share some notes. And also this, just to say, this does move into. I think there's enough like small semitone steps to make that viable. Um, but this to this is just too much in my opinion. So what if we just leave that as 4? So in my opinion, that's acceptable. And then now all notes are gonna have to change when we go here. But I think that's actually fine, because now if you consider this, so. To me that sounds just fine, and I think the reasoning why, at least this part of it. So this 10 splits into this, and this 5, this 6, 5 joins into this. 6, 4 becomes 5, and the 1 goes up to 2. So like there's splitting and joining and moving by a semitone, so you get like um and because this has some shared notes, that's okay. So we've merged it with the previous and the next chord in a way that it like seems viable. So yeah, that's how I can add some new chords so it sounds like this again. So 2, 3, Anyways, that's it.